such a sweet, sweet melody, classic of its genre. Very, very popular tune that's been featured in so many different ways and shapes and forms. Super hit. And I hope you are taking advantage of the familiar melody, familiar tune that you make your own and make it sing in your own voice, so to speak, and enjoy it. 3/4 is really common music time signature, but not as common, of course, as 4/4. So try to make this feel like sort of like a waltz, like a dance. So it needs to kind of feel on the faster side of things, not super slow. So just follow the metronome markings in your book. You'll be fine. Thanks for watching my videos. I will see you in the next one. Thanks.